Dodge ramped up.
Right here. Trying to put that rock picking up by itself. Yeah, you can cut out this narrow. Huh? Let's go.
Okay, what the fuck's going on here? What did he mean smooth sailing after that? Was he crazy? Ain't nothing smooth about this.
Where's the road was that way?
How in the hell? Ain't no way I can do that.
No, you see how it drops down up here?
Oh, right here. Right here. I gotta go this way?
Yep. And right over there. The only thing you need to be worried about is right here. You see how it dips down and back up?
It's these big things crowning. So my wheel needs to go. Just watch my clearance.
Okay.
Hey, Mike, he wants to come over this way. Yep.
You good?
Now.
Hey, Dad, why don't you come on the other side? Hold on. You're good. You got this much at the lowest point.
How's my clearance right here? Hold on. See that rock right there? You move that off, I'm gonna go right on the side.
Should be good. Come up and over.
is cool. So when you go to four-wheel drive low and back, you gotta put it in neutral, and then it. Did you hear it click?
Yeah. Whoa.
So they said stay to the left, right?
Yeah, big boulder.
Isn't that what they said? Stay to the left.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's what he was talking about. How do you figure this shit was smooth sailing?
I don't know what they sail, but this shit ain't smooth. Yeah.
Yeah, I wouldn't come up here in a rainstorm, that's for goddamn.
I'm having a hard enough time keeping this footage still.
Oh, look at this.
Oh shit. No, that's bottom out territory right there.
That's done right.
No way.
Watch out. It's a long truck. Once you get the front wheels over this and start pulling forward, no, this is the concern right here. You need to be all the way left and go as
I wanted
forward
to
as
try to
possible.
go wheel on that, wheel on that. But if I go down here, I'm going to bottom out on that.
You need your front left wheel right where that turn is. And then you start to turn. You're gonna have to ride this edge.
Hey, Jeff. I think you'll be alright.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be okay. Will go down
Deceiving when you're in there.
Huh?
It's deceiving in there.
What will happen is your front tire will go in, and you may not bottom out, but once your left tire goes in,
These are the ruts he was talking about. He said, if you see a puddle up there and it doesn't look like nothing, it's something. Don't drive in that puddle. It's about 8 feet up here.
see anything. I just see more road. There? No.
Here's someone's tire.
It went up the mountain.
Dad,
I thought he was done.
Fired one shot.
did you get that on camera? Unsafe practices.
I think this might be for insurance purposes.
Is it not ejecting it?
You know what's going on?
Huh?
We're shooting grenades.
Are you serious?
This gun can do anything, man.
Hey, at least there's nothing wrong with the gun.
I didn't realize. That is awesome.
You stressing out there for a minute?
Yeah, I was thinking, no.
Hold on, Dad. Dad, hold on. Someone's coming up. Yeah, I think you're right.
Dad, your safety's on, right?
The world will never know.
Hey, Jeff, here you go. 3 shells.
How many?
3. There's 1 in the chamber. So it's ready.
Love it.
You want to try it?
fired 380 shots.
A bullet in the chamber.
Safety's on.
We should have brought targets up here, man.
For what?
What were we thinking about? Targets up
I know.
Is the safety back on?
Sound like a dud.
Did. That one sounds like a cap gun.
Huh?
What rounds are those?
22?
Are they long? 22 long? Really?
I know, it sounds like a cap gun, doesn't it?
Yeah, well, more than a cap gun, but yeah. It doesn't have
you go?
that base to it, huh?
You gonna shoot?
That's how Matt digs a hole.
There's no way that any of those leaves survived, Matt.
Minecraft. You like it?
I do. I like it. I need a different stock.
Yeah.
They kick. Now, can you take that thing out?
Smells good. I love the smell of gunpowder. Actually, I want to get someone doing slow-mo.
Oh yeah, slow-mo's awesome.
Huh?
Oh, get me doing doubles on slow-mo.
Yeah. Hold on.
Ready?
Go. Go.